Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN DriveSmart navigation. In this video I'll show you how to manage map. In the beginning, let's go to View Map. Now, you can check your current speed, zoom map in and out, change direction, time of day, sunrise, sunset, trip distance traveled, and many more. Then you can go to menu, and right here you can mute navigation, edit route, stop route, enter music player, trip data, phone, traffic, and up ahead notifications. Also you can move manually through the map. Then you can manually set up route by tapping on the map. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.